What is an Discuss the basic structure of an automobile. In our daily life, we come across hundreds of automobiles running on the road. But have you ever wondered how an automobile is made? Automobile is made up of hundreds of different parts, which can be broadly categorized into 6 components: basic structure, power unit, transmission system, auxiliaries, controls, and superstructure. The first 5 components are collectively known as automobile chassis. Now let's try to understand the basic structure of an automobile. Basic structure of an automobile is the unit on which all the other automobile units like engine, transmission system, etc. are attached. It mainly comprises of frame, suspension system, axles, and wheels. Now let's discuss each of them in brief. Frame. It is the main structure of an automobile that bears the most of its weight. Frame construction is generally done in 2 ways: conventional construction, frameless construction. In conventional construction, a conventional pressed steel frame is prepared and all the mechanical units are attached to it, and then the body is superimposed on it. Whereas in frameless construction, the body is designed in such a way that the function of the body and the frame is combined, and all the mechanical units are directly attached to the body. Suspension system. Functions of suspension system. It is responsible for preventing road shocks from being transmitted to the vehicles, safeguarding the passengers from road shocks, and preserving the stability of vehicle during pitching and rolling. Generally, there are 2 types of suspension systems: conventional system and independent system. In conventional system, the road springs are attached to a rigid beam axle, whereas in independent system, there is no rigid axle beam and each wheel is free to move vertically without affecting other wheels. Axles. They are the central shafts which connect the wheels to the frame. Depending on their